Hello students, welcome to the English class. We are learning future continuous tense. The future continuous tense is often used to talk about something happening at a given point in the future. We use the future continuous tense to describe an action that will be in progress at a particular time in the future. For example, at 4 p.m. tomorrow, I'll be watching television. At 10 a.m. next Monday, I'll be taking the exam. We'll be on a beach this time next week. Structure of the future continuous tense. For declarative sentences, subject, whether the subject is singular children or plural, we use will helping verb. I will be sleeping, he will be sleeping, we will be sleeping. And for making negative sentences, I will not be sleeping, he will not be sleeping, they will not be sleeping. Will helping verb is used. For interrogative sentences, we bring the helping verb in the beginning. Will I be singing? Will you be singing? In the same way, these are the subject and helping verb comes in the beginning. For information sentences also, what will I be playing? Okay, question, we bring question word in the beginning, then will helping verb, then subject. Okay, let's do warm up exercise. Use these sets of words and form sentences in the future continuous tense. Maya will be drinking coffee at 10 tomorrow. Okay, we will be walking home at 2 p.m. tomorrow. Jayanti will be taking a bath at 7 a.m. in the morning. Ravi will be playing tennis at the club at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Preetha will be learning French next Monday. Okay. Mother will be cooking fried rice in the afternoon. You will be cleaning the house at 10 a.m. on Sunday. Milan and Cyrus will be eating dinner at 10 p.m. tomorrow. They will be watching television at 9 p.m. tomorrow. Rati and Jayant will be flying kites at 10 a.m. tomorrow. So these are the examples of future continuous tense. Children, read these sentences, go through the rules and learn. That's all for this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.